I'm operated by nature, by the general nature, like the still and animate, and I'm the still and vegetative, and I'm. It's true that I'm proudful and um, there's between the different living species, they have pride toward each other and so on, but and they also live they live off, they eat the vegetative and so on, but that's just how they exist, and that's how I am. And what will man say? What can he be proud of? That he is separate from the living level. How? Differentiated from the living level because he has pride and absence of humility. We can say that on all the previous levels of life, still vegetative and animate, they have a kind of humility, meaning it's a kind of an inner force that ties them with nature, and they precisely carry out what nature demands. No such thing now that comes heat and they want to nullify it and cool it down, or comes some kind of meaning that they go against nature. They're not even going to change nature even a bit in their favor. They have this natural humility that they are a part of nature. Go together with it, with this entire system. Whereas man, he wants to control everything, rule. What discerns him from everyone else is the absence of humility, pride, egotism, which develops from generation to generation. In every generation, he wants to be more successful, more independent, by not depending, being reliant or dependent on nature. So, turns out that man has strength. This strength by which he wants to distinguish himself from nature, does he use it correctly? That's the question.